Hi guys! I decided to be nerdy today. I have some chemistry jokes to tell you. A few I know and a few I found on one of my favorite, not a favorite website, I don't even know. On a website I found that has just a whole page of these. They're not, a few of them aren't mine, most of them aren't mine. I've just heard them from other people, but whatever, it doesn't matter. Jokes transfer between people. Anyways, so here's the first one. I learned this one when I was 7, and I didn't understand it until I turned 10. But I thought it was funny anyways, because it was nerdy, and I was like, yeah, I'm smart. But I didn't understand what it was. I was just like, I'm smarter than you, because I know this is supposed to be funny. I did. I kind of, yeah, I was a weird child. But anyways, 2 hydrogen atoms go for a walk. The first one says, hey, I think I lost my electron. The second one says, are you sure? The first one says, I'm positive. Here's the next joke. And this one I heard from my dad earlier this year, or last year. Yeah. So Schrodinger and Heisenberg are driving down the highway. They get pulled over by a cop. Cop looks over at the driver, Heisenberg, and says, sir, we're 5 miles outside New York City. Do you know how fast you were going? Heisenberg looks over at the cop, makes a face, and says, well, now I do. Cop doesn't like his attitude. The cop decides, hey, he decides that he should check their trunk to make sure they don't have anything suspicious, in their possession. So the cop walks around to the back of the car, opens the trunk, kind of, walks over to the driver's window and looks into the car and says, sirs, do you know there's a dead cat in the back of your trunk? Heisenberg and Schrodinger look at each other. Schrodinger looks over at the cop and says, well, now I do. So, pretty self-explanatory there, I think. Okay, so now on the website is jupiterscientific.org. I really like this site. I like it a lot. So here we go. Here's the first joke. If H2O is the formula for water, what's the formula for ice? H2O cubed, right? Sorry, it's so incorrect, obviously. It just bothers me. I don't know why, it just does. Because, one, you don't put exponents on a chemical formula. At least as far as I know. At least as far as I am into my, classes. But also, if you, and water actually, I think that's the chemical formula for water, and then there's an I think that's the other formula I'm thinking of is the empirical formula, or there's a molecular formula or something, where it's actually 2 and then parentheses H2O, or just 2H2O, because water comes in pairs, so you can't just have, water naturally, its molecules are in pairs of 2 atoms. So you can't just have 1 water. You have to have 2. And therefore you have to have 4. I think that I explained that wrong. I might be wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm right, but I might have explained it wrong. I'm very tired. But anyways, there's my tangent. Tangent. But this is chemistry, not math. I promise I won't do math jokes. Okay. Why do chemists like nitrates so much? They're cheaper than day rates. That one's funny. Also, extra points for the people who can comment below what the formula for nitrate nitrite are, because I think it's funny. Well, I don't think it's funny, I just like them. Why do chemists call helium, barium, and curium the medical elements? Because if you can't helium and you can't curium, you bury them. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, Billy was a chemist and a chemist. He's no more. What he thought was H2O was H2SO4. Hey! I got that one from my friend. And I don't know where it's from. I'm not, if you guys go into the Jupiter Scientific and find the chemistry jokes, find, let's see, joke 26. It's a joke. It's about dihydrogen monoxide and what a great threat it is to our lives. So, yep. Let's see. How many guacs are in a bowl of guacamole? Avocado's number. Okay. Also, let's see. One more. Okay, let's see if we can find one more. I think I've told the ones that I liked already, but... Oh! A chemistry professor couldn't resist interjecting a little philosophy into his class lecture. He interrupted his lecture just to state, "Remember, if you're not part of the solution, you're part of the precipitate." Did I mention I love my lab notebook? It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it so much. This is like the first class in school that I am willing, like, I'm super nerdy and like, hee nuts. So yeah, that's my entertainment for the day. My video, being clever and sciencey and trying to feel smart. You know, I still can't remember the conversion factor for, you know, from moles and into particles, which sucks, because I should and I need to because I have a quiz on Monday. So yeah. If you have any more nerdy jokes, post them below, because I love them so much. Math, Lord of the Rings, anything. I'm unleashing my inner geek right now, and my inner nerd, and whatever, everybody knows it. It's okay. So if you want, post them below. You know, you could do a little sign language. I don't know, I'm bad at sign language, I'm not going to even try today. So yeah. Voilà mon video. I speak French? No? Not really. Well, that's it. Bye. I'm really bad at ending stuff, so I'll just keep going and going and going until I click away, because I'm going.